welcome to a brand new video. I am so excited because this is my first purchase from Trendmood and I'm so excited to receive this box. This one was in collaboration with Good Molecules, so it's about skincare and I'm super excited. This was $32, so if you want to see what the box has, please continue watching. So here is the iconic purple box. Like I said, I've never bought something from her. I think it's only one person. I could be wrong. If I am, sorry. And I do want to share it with you guys. So this completely fell off. We don't need that anyways. Let me show you the inside of the box because I did open it. I couldn't help myself. And this is how she looks. Oh my god. It's so pretty from the inside. I love when they do little things like this to like personalize them. Super cute. And then we have the iconic purple and the iconic sticker. So as soon as we open this, we have the products inside. This retailed for $32. As soon as it came out, I bought it right away. Like, I did not waste no time. So here are the products and I'm going to be going through them. So let's get started. So the first product I see here is the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. And this is the box. It's so cute. So this one is formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and rice powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate. Super cute. I love exfoliating. So I'm very excited to try this one out. And they feel really heavy. And it's glass. Oh, it is glass. I like this. So this is what she looks like. This is going to look so pretty on my vanity or in my bathroom. Ooh. So that's the first product. The second one is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. That's what she looks like. And this is formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and plant-driven silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish skin. That sounds fantastic to me, so give it to me now. And this is what she looks like. Super cute. Oh my god. Is this one glass? Oh, this is glass also, I believe. So that's how she looks like. Moving on to the third product. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. They all feel like really heavy and sturdy, and they feel really good, to be honest. I feel like the price that the box is worth is super cheap. So that's what she looks like. This looks like it's going to last me a long time. And also the powder, what is it called? The pineapple exfoliating powder. These products are huge. I'm pretty sure they're full size. So I'm pretty sure they're going to last me forever. So that's what she looks like. Moving on to the hyaluronic acid serum. This pink purpley. So cute, lilac, I don't know, super cute box. This is formulated to draw moisture in the skin for a deeper hydration. I'm all about hydration, making my skin look plump. So yes, I'm very excited to use this serum. Oh, cute. Okay, that's what she looks like. And I love that these are glass again. A little ASMR for you. Super cute. Now moving on. Oh my god, so this one is like the main reason I bought the whole box. I know I've been wanting to try these products, but this one was the main reason. This one and another one, I'm not gonna lie. So this one is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. It's formulated with things that I don't know how to pronounce to target discoloration and improve even skin tone. So that's what she looks like. And oh, I'm so excited for this one. I'm going to be using this for a whole month and I'll let you guys know how it went. So that's what she looks like. Ooh, I love how these look. I cannot wait to use these, guys. When it's about skincare, I get more excited about skincare than actual makeup. And then moving on, this is the Hydrate and Cleanse Bar. And this is a soap-free cleansing bar formulated with squalene, shea butter, and honey to help maintain a hydrated complexion for all skin types. Ooh. I don't think I have used a bar of soap for my face in a really long time. So that's what she looks like. And the last product, which is the second one of why I bought the box is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. So this is formulated to help revitalize and let me do that again. This is formulated to help revitalize and energize the eye area. So when it's about under eyes, I'm all for it. So I cannot wait to try this. So like I said, the main reason why I bought this was the discoloration correcting serum and the eye gel. So honestly guys, to me this was worth it. It's a really cool box. You saw that they were full-size products, and I cannot wait to use this. Like I said, I'm going to be using these for a month, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you guys what I think about them. I will be taking pictures as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I will leave Trendmood's Instagram in the description box below if you want to go and check them out. They're always bringing out boxes, and I cannot wait to see what's next. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.